Hey everyone, I'm Ray from Rey Creators Lab. As the year 2024 just ended, I wanted to take a moment to say thank you to everyone who has supported this channel throughout the year. Whether you've been here since the beginning or just joined the journey, your likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions have truly meant the world to me. It's because of you that Rey Creators Lab is growing into an amazing community of creators and innovators. As we step into this new year, 2025, I'm so excited for what's ahead. New tools, tutorials, tips, and so much more to help you create and thrive. Let's make this year even more creative, productive, and inspiring together. Here's to you and a new year filled with success, creativity, and happiness. Cheers to 2025. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for what's next.